So here we're going to talk about that even after removing those labels, how do we really make a difference in their actions, their performance and their results, which are not going to change overnight. So when you see them still failing at something which they can't do, even after telling them that they can, what is your role? So rather than telling you about how you go about it, what do you do with them, I want you to experience it for yourself. Again, I would request you to relax, sit back and close your eyes and bring an area of your life you're currently dealing with, an area where you're actually failing, an area where you're not able to produce the results you really want to produce for yourself right now. It could be a small failure, it could be a big failure, it could be a difficult situation, it could be a situation you've been dealing with and not able to close it for a long time. Don't look at the levels of it, but bring such a situation which you're dealing with right now in your life, in your mind. And with your eyes closed, just live through that experience. What are you going through? What are you saying to yourself about yourself? What are your body sensations? What are you feeling right now with respect to that area of your life? And while you're getting present to that situation, with your eyes closed, just imagine your parents, your father or your mother, just walking into the room right now, putting their hand on your shoulder. Like really right now imagine that their hand is on your shoulder and they come and say to you, you can do it and I am with you. Listen to them saying that to you right now. How does that feel? I'm sure you're feeling a lot of energy out there. You are feeling that you can do it. Now that's the power you have with your own children. So when they fail, do not talk about why they failed, they should have done this, they shouldn't have done this, they should have spent more time, been more focused, concentrated more or practiced more. Forget all that. Don't give them any of that gyan. But just put your hand on their shoulder and tell them you can. Bring that belief back in them that they are born no limit and they can, and that you are with them. The kind of power you will instill will be phenomenal, and that's what they need at that point of time to go ahead. Will they fail again? Yes. It took days and weeks or months before we actually learned how to bicycle. We fell a few times, but we definitely learned how to bicycle. Will you and they be able to come through this difficult situation and make it happen? The answer is yes. And why am I saying yes? Because you and I and them, they're all born no limit. We're born with all the power, and you can and I can and they can. All you need to do is tell them that they can and you are with them. So all the best and happy parenting.